Hello, Jackie here. Welcome to KISS, Keep It Simple Sunday, hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY, and the co-host is Indy Annie Jones. Fun ladies. Annie's just great. You need to watch her live videos. Okay, let's get started. I have these felt balls that I had last year, and the place I got them from shorted me on the deep green ones. So I ordered some from Amazon, and they weren't really very expensive. So we're keeping it simple by not using anything but a needle and thread. And I got the Gnomes from Walmart. They were $1.98, so they weren't very expensive. So I put the first gnome on, and then I'm doing a pattern of white, light green, red, and the deep green. And it's one of those things you could sit in front of the TV or listen to your Christmas music or watch your Hallmark movies or something. And it's very simple. You could even get your kids working on something like this. And with the gnomes, it's great. And I just love these felt balls. They're so soft and fun. So enjoy while you're watching me string these away. And if you're wondering what that great big bruise on my arm is, I had to do a blood test, and I kept telling the guy where the vein was, but he had to try it down lower, and he just kept messing with it, and I bruised. It's a good thing I don't hate needles. One of these things that you just get so mindlessly stringing these that you just kind of lose track sometimes of where you're at, and you make a mistake and you go back and go, oh, let's undo it. And it's so easy to undo and start again. You'll see here in one of the spots that I did an extra ball. You could do this with wood beads. You can paint the wood beads. You could do it with ping pong balls. I haven't tried it yet, but I got some of those eyeballs at Halloween time that I thought would be fun to do something with. I can paint them and use them as beads, and they won't be heavy. And that's the nice thing about the felt balls, is they're not heavy. Well, the wood beads aren't that heavy either, but just slides right through there. You can use crochet thread that's very thin. You could use embroidery thread. You can probably even use twine, a thinner twine. Does anybody notice what I'm doing wrong here? Are you yelling at me, saying, wait a minute, you put all the little red ones on the same side. Take them off. It's 2 on each side. Oh my goodness, lady. Pay attention to what you're doing. But like I said, they come off easy. Can you see me looking over the top of my glasses? I can see up close better without my glasses. Okay, now I'm working on the other side. Okay, there I go again, trying to figure out which way the gnome is facing on that side. And what would we do without spit when we're threading a needle? Okay, now I figured it out. Okay, he's going a different way. And I thought this would take me a long time, and it really didn't. It's really pretty fast. Oh my gosh, a knot. Don't you hate that when that happens? I do. Okay, got it out. Whew. Saved the day. Don't mind me, I'm just a nut. Now, if you haven't followed my channel before, I sure would like you to follow my channel and subscribe. And for all those that subscribe and watch every day of my ornaments, at the end of the week, you'll be eligible to win one of the Dollar Tree gnomes. So I'll let you know what day that is, since I got a little behind on my ornaments because of the modem died. But I upgraded my modem, and oh my gosh, the videos upload so fast. So if you're a YouTuber and your videos upload slow, think about looking into getting a better, higher speed modem. It may cost you a little bit more, but it's worth it. Okay, just counting to see how many more I should do. Okay, there's all of them on that side. Now I can put some more on the other side. Did you see that? I messed up again. I messed up my pattern. is about as exciting as watching paint dry or waiting for water to boil. But it's Keep It Simple Sunday. We should always do that with Sundays. Keep them simple. If you go to church or you don't go to church. And here it is all finished. I sure appreciate you coming to see my Garland and to see what my Keep It Simple Sunday project was. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. Bye.